Hey, so just want to talk a little bit about trading. Um, a lot of people, oh, I'm gonna get glitched now. My internet's really bad. Um, a lot of people get caught up in say something's worth like two black longs, blah blah, and they'll try and do that. You don't have to. You gotta wait around for. Not saying that that sounds bad when I say that, but okay, because worth two black longs doesn't mean you have to have two black longs. You know what I mean? Like when the AJ box promos come out, say that if like people order these, yeah, so they don't even care about the worth. They just think, oh, I've got that. Wow, you're gonna give me a little spike. Okay, I'll accept that. You know what I mean? And then that's how you get that anyway. But what's going on? But the same thing with the leap year necklace. I've been trading leap year necklaces. Like, I've been offering everyone pink longs for them. They're worth a good long. And you can. Everyone says, you can't get a good long for them leap year necklaces. I'm like, yeah, I can, because I just did like 10 times. Because every time I win a pink long in the Forgotten Desert, if I win one, I will, honestly, go into Elden and trade it for a necklace. That's what I do. Because a lot of people think, oh, they're so trash, trash, trash. But then you get the other people that go, whoa, I'm trading all that. So I literally, oh, look at that, gone again. I hope I'm not getting hacked. I'm gonna get hacked. It's not my cat's fault. She's a jerk. Baze, come here. Jerk cat. Well, maybe I'm getting hacked, man. Hopefully not. Oh my god, I used to be friends with them. I'm telling you, they've got like collectibles. That's my friend. That used to be my friend. I swear, oh, I must unfriend him. Wow, oops. Oops, I'm sorry. Yes. Yes. Oh, I feel bad when I do that. Cause like, yeah, when I used to play like Forgotten Desert, I'd unfriend people. Cause of lag and that. Oh, and also I just like monitor the people that if they don't, not saying that like you have to friend people and they have to come visit you, but you know, if people don't want to interact with you, then there's no point having them on your list. You know what I mean? That sounds really rude, but it's not. I then once we yeah, true did. It really did. Did. Oh wow. I can't believe I forgot about. It's funny that when your friends come back, we had Fairy Tale come back. He left us a year ago. His words were he'll come back when Lucky Clover's come back. He didn't come back. He only come back like I think about 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. I'm like, whoa. And it was a coincidence we met. Like, cause had a new user. I'm like, that's just crazy. Look at this penguin. Isn't that not weird? That's like, look at that face. Why does it have a beak? Don't people hang on. What? No, no, no. Yeah, they do have beaks. Oh, he's gone now. Did you see that? Had a beak. I mean, he didn't have a beak. I had a beak. He didn't have a beak. Oh my god, I gotta rewind that and watch that. He had no beak. Come on, you gotta tell me you've seen that. Oh my god. Oh, hang on. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, this ain't mystical. Expensive shop, my den. Telling the truth right there. Let's go see the expensive shop. Ouch. That hurt. Oh, really expensive. When there's nothing in it. Ooh, I'd actually probably buy that if I had diamonds. You see my diamonds? Look at me! Look at me! They really suck. I'm going home. I'm running away. I'm running away. You know what? I was going to turn this place into a vet. But, oh, see this? See, this is your normal Zeus fountain. It's worth nothing. I brought these for 8 diamonds. I'm like, oh, hell yeah! I was so happy with that buy. Like, really happy with that buy. But we're going to go set up shop here. We're setting up shop. I'm going to take over this whole thing. Whoops. I don't like that upside down thing. It's kind of scary. It's not like a vet. I need a vet. Uh-oh. We'll give you little doggy little treats. What else do they need? They need little... They need more treats than this. We need like a little veterinary. We need a little... Oh, what are they called? The statues that you put in. What do you call them? Are they called statues? No, what are they called? Oh my god, what are they called? Let's just say wolf. I forgot what they're called. Oh my god, it's not going to tell me nothing. Yeah, that one. Mannequin. Mannequin. Let's go mannequin. Man. Here we go. So, we'll get a doctor. We'll get a Dr. Wolf. We'll get Dr. Wolf. We'll dress him. We'll dress him. I have to click that one. So, make him doctor. Doctor. Give you a bag, and you have a jacket. Or is that kind of delete your bag? Nope, that's cool. And that's so. Oh, it makes me actually sick looking at that. But whoa. Hang on, doctors don't have break a leg. Hang on. Maybe you should. That's better than the band-aid, right? And we get the bag. So doctor's like, doctor. Alright, we're done. Tail. I don't even know why it's got the tail, but we'll get rid of that. Alright, so we got doctor. Oh my god, that is like the creepiest doctor. I would not even go there. I'm running away. And we need a table here. We definitely need a table here. For reception. So, table. Give me a table. Alright, we'll take it. It's small. That's actually bad. Oh, this is much better. I don't like it. Okay, so we need probably some like receptionist or something. You know. I'm really bad speller, so mannequin where? Alright. I'll be the doc I'll be the vet. I'll be the receptionist. I just want here. And this dude, he's browsing. He's just gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm browsing, man. I need a pet, so I've got to give him a pet. How do you do pets? You're Dan. Hmm. How do you pet it? Oh, it's hidden. That's why. I was gonna say, come on, man. Okay. So this guy's got this guy. He's like, I'm buying for this dude. Or maybe we put him in here because he wants to adopt him. Get in there. Probably. He's gonna adopt him, but nobody wants to adopt this guy. Or maybe you do. And maybe people are like, oh my god, it's a unicorn. But do you know who's actually in control of this whole business? I actually don't know his name. I'm hoping he's called Frog. Come on, please be Grumpy Frog. No, this one. Frog. Oh no, this one. No, not that one. This one. This guy here. He is a legend. This guy controls all the dens. He's like a. Oh, he's a boss. He's a boss. He's a boss frog. He's so boss. Look at his face. Look at his face. How are you going to mess with that? Like, look at him. He's like, I don't even look at him. I'm going to run away now. This den was a fail. Anyway, we got the vet, we got the shizzles. We got the pet thing and the pet food and me. But then we got the frog! We got the frog! He's gonna eat us all. Dude, he's gonna start riding and... No, just joking. Come on, dude. Help me out, man. Tell AJ, hey, Mr. Frog, tell AJ we want to be frogs. I want to be a frog. Let me be a frog. I want to be a frog. You just gonna blink your eyes at me? Really? Come on, dude. What's that face, man? Look, did I not paint you a pretty picture? I'm pretty sure I painted you a pretty picture. I'm pretty sure I did. Like, for real. You can't be there just blinking your eyes, man. I'll paint you a little... I did, man. How can you search your own paintings? Oh, my happy tree frog's gone. Oh well. Anyway. Peace out. Anyway, this video was like, it's blah 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 blah. But Peace.